Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining in. So, if you are a marketer or you work in a digital marketing department of any brand or agency, you would know that we face lots of numbers and metrics everywhere, every single day. And generally, it's quite hard to understand those numbers or metrics or to get actionable insights from that data. Reason being is that there are so many complex, outdated, traditional analytics tools in the market um, that are quite tough to deal with, that are very complex, user unfriendly, and offers lots of obstacles to get the required actionable insights. So that's exactly what we are going to discuss in this particular session. What metrics and numbers should marketers check daily? It would just consume 5 to 10 minutes of yours, but you'll be equipped with all the required data and actionable insights that are helpful in generating growth, revenue, sales, and conversions. So let's dive in. So we are using Usermaven Analytics. It's an AI-powered analytics tool. And if you are currently not using Usermaven, I would highly recommend you to try it out, give it a shot. Usermaven offers 30 days free trial. So you can easily sign up. The installation process takes less than 3 to 5 minutes, I would say. The installation process is breeze, and you'll be up and running in no time. So once you have signed up for an account with Usermaven, you will land on this particular screen. You simply need to install this code into your website's header immediately before the closing tag, and that's it. It would be done. You'll start receiving the data. Just to give a brief overview, that Usermaven offers different analytics tools and features like web analytics, product insights, context hub, and segments, multi-touch attribution, funnels, user journeys, trends, custom dashboards, events where auto-captured events come in. This is probably the beauty of Usermaven, that you do not need any developer whatsoever. All things are added and installed for your convenience by default. So today we are going to keep this session very concise and practical, so that you know what are those metrics and numbers that you should be checking daily as a marketeer. So in this session, I'm going to take this brand as an example, a Content Studio. It is a cool social media management tool. And so, uh, just to set few things up before we get started, I'm managing the digital marketing activities of this brand, and my three goals, major three goals, are that first, I want maximum possible traffic on my website. So that would be my first goal, to acquire as much traffic as possible. Once I have started getting the visitors, my second goal would be to make them sign up for the free trial period. Content Studio offers 14 days free trial, so that people can come in, sign up, explore the tool, explore its AI-based features, content planning and scheduling features, approval workflow systems to manage clients efficiently. So that would be my second goal, to make people sign up. My third goal would be to convert those signed up users into paid users, so that they become our monthly recurring users and continue using the services of Content Studio. So yes, these are my three primary goals. So I'm on this analytics dashboard of this Content Studio workspace. Please be noted that the data you see here is for demo purposes, and the patterns are real, which is connected to Content Studio's account. So you will get the exact idea of how numbers go up and down in terms of a real world brand with real time examples. So this is the demo workspace. Under this, I have all my main domains and subdomains connected. This is my main website, contentstudio.io, and then I have my app domain and other subdomains as well. So the first thing I would check is that, okay, what's the increase or decrease in the total number of website visitors? Let's check for this month. And also, there would be many marketeers who are currently creating end of year reports or 2024 year reports. So, Usermaven Analytics would be really helpful in giving you the right data in proper form so that you can impress your management and team by showing them the right metrics and right numbers. So, okay, so I'm on this dashboard. I have filtered the date as this month, and I have 46,000 visitors as of now. There's an increase in traffic 6.56%, which is quite good. I can see the graph in different forms, bar graph and line graph. All the other metrics are also increasing, which looks great. The number of new visitors and returning visitors are almost the same, which is quite good, as my first goal is to get maximum possible visitors. So I'll be really interested in getting new visitors as much as I can. Coming downward, this is one very important box relevant to traffic acquisition. So this box, top channel sources, is telling me that how many visitors I'm getting from different channels and sources. So after seeing this, I can easily say that organic search is my top most performing channel. It has given me 70% of the overall traffic, which is great. And then there is some direct and referral traffic as well. Just to see what websites are giving me referral traffic. So I have clicked on this button, referral. Okay, so it's mostly some third-party platforms. Content Ideas is also our partner brand. Then on the right-hand side, these are basically all the traffic that has come from external campaigns where I have embedded UTM parameters. If you want to create any UTM-based link, simply go to Usermaven's website. Under Resources, you have free UTM Builder. So you can create any UTM-based link in a few seconds using this page. Now it's showing me that yes, Google is bringing the maximum amount of visitors out of the given list, and then this is through email campaigns and through other ad and social media campaigns. Sounds great. Coming to the top pages, tools page, home page, blogs. Okay, so it has given me an impression that my tools are doing well. There are probably 3 to 4 tools in my top 10 pages, and I have a few blogs as well getting ranked well and giving me good traffic. Right. Conversion goals. Now, this is probably the most important part of this dashboard. Every brand has a unique goal that they want to achieve. Once a visitor has arrived on your website, do you want them to fill a form, book a demo, sign up for your tool, or make a purchase to what you're offering? So we can create any conversion goal of our choice using this box, using page URL, custom event, or pinned event, and that's it. So in this case of Content Studio, as I mentioned before, that once a visitor has arrived on my website, I would want them to sign up, or after the trial period, they should become our paid user. So this is what I can see: 625 users have signed up, and these many users have booked a demo or um, become our paid user. Sounds great. Then some devices based statistics. I am getting the most number of visitors coming through mobile devices, which is good. It's 62%. And then the top regions, of course, USA, India, Philippines, UK, are giving me the best number of visitors. Now, this section, keywords, if I want to know what are my top organic keywords, I can see this particular section. This is linked with Google Search Console. Usermaven offers that integration as well. So after seeing this, I can get the idea that mostly my tools containing video downloader keyword are doing well. And then there are some branded keywords as well at the bottom. So after seeing the web analytics dashboard, I can say to my management that yes, we are doing well. We are getting good organic traffic. Our organic activities are working out well, and we just need to continue doing best with our ad campaigns as well. And then some tools are doing well, so maybe we can do some CRO work on these tools to get maximum possible people sign up after visiting these free tools and blogs as well. All right. I have a question for you. Um, do you know what channels or platforms gave me this increase in traffic? It's 6.56% increase. So how do I know what actually caused this increase? So I can simply go and hit compare to the previous period. So it would show me the exact comparison. So yes, my previous period I had 43,000 visitors, and now it's 46% visitors. And here I can see that we got 16% increase through Google Ads and 218% increase through email campaigns. So the turning point is email campaigns in this particular period, right? So through this you can get the idea or and compare your current stats with your previous stats. Using this date picker, you can compare anything, and you can also save different types of views as well. So these are basically those metrics that we should check daily so that we are aware of our numbers, our data, our metrics, and can make decisions accordingly. Then the second most important thing would be attribution. And a good news is that we are going to conduct an exclusive webinar this coming Friday on January the 10th. And that webinar would be all about attribution. How can marketers tell which channels are bringing in the best conversions? So we'll be discussing this module in detail on this coming Friday. And just a brief warm up, there is one question that I often get from my CEO, that Adil, how is our ad campaigns performing? Are they doing well? Are there any campaigns that we called as winners? So I can easily see attribution. What platforms give me the best signed up users? So now this is a bit, uh, I would say, a bit tricky, because let's say a person has visited my website through Google Ads, but that person didn't get converted, went away, and then comes back again through email, and now that person gets converted. So all the traditional analytics tools would tell you that the conversion happened because of that email channel. But what about Google Ads that actually brought that person to my website? So that's where these attribution models come in. And right now, I just want to see how many people visited my website and signed up. And Google Ads was the first channel through which they arrived my website. So I want to give, in this case, all the credit to Google Ads, because they played the role of brand awareness and actually brought that visitor to my website. So I have selected conversion goal as signed up, attribution models as first touch, and here I can see organic is the topmost channel here, to exactly what we saw in the web analytics dashboard as well. It's completely dominating right now among other channels. So in this box, I want to see about paid search campaigns. So here we have two categories: paid search non-branded terms and paid search branded terms. So in paid search non-branded terms, I had 18,000 visitors that came from Google Ads and 603 signed up. So these 603 visitors signed up, and Google, this particular campaign was involved at least once in their journey. But I want to see the exact number, that how many visitors actually came from Google Ads for the very first time, and then later on they got converted. So this is that number, 595 first touch. These 595 signed up users are those that came onto my website for the very first time through paid search campaigns. They didn't know about Content Studio before, but this particular uh, campaign brought them in. And in the drop down, I can see all the campaigns as well, the paid search non-branded campaigns. So here I can see this is the winning campaign with 344 conversions. Its product US is its name, and that's it. So this attribution uh, module offers so much value to marketeers and to digital marketing agencies. So that's why we are giving it proper time and attention, and we are going to explain it in detail in our coming webinar. So for now, the last module that I would like to discuss with you is funnels. So if you want to identify any drop-off points where users are leaving our website and not completing the conversion that we want them to do so. So in this case, funnels play a really very important role. As we just witnessed that there are few free tools of Content Studio ranking on the first page and bringing a good amount of traffic. So I want to see how many people that landed on the tools page and then got converted. So in this case, these are Content Studio's awesome free tools that adds a lot of value, and you can do lots of things with these free tools. So I can see in the URL, this is a consistent path tools. I will make use of it. I have already created this funnel, but let me delete it and create again. So conversions from free tools, I have given it a name, and visitors page URL contains tools. So now it will involve and add all the free tool pages. The next step is signed up. How many users signed up after visiting the tools page? Okay, let's add another thing, which is plan upgraded users. I believe it would be on the uh, lower end side, but just add it and see how it stands. Okay, that's it. Create. And for the last 30 days, conversions from free tools, I have opened this graph. 71,000 visitors landed on our free tools page. 364 users signed up. Only one user upgraded as of now. So this number is all right. We're getting good amount of traffic, and the sign up number can be improved for sure. And then that would lead to eventually improving this plan upgraded number as well. So I want to see which countries are giving me the best conversion rate here. I will click on breakdown country, show complete list, and conversion rate in ascending order. So from here, I can see a lot of visitors came from the US, India, Philippines, Pakistan, UK, and a few of them completed and proceeded to the sign up stage, but only one from the US uh, upgraded the plan. So I can maybe improve that page experience as per the US audience that resonates with the US audience. So now this has given me a bit of insight. I would also need to check my page loading speed and all the other metrics that are important from the US and other Europe market as well. So yes, through this funnel analysis, we can identify the drop off points and different conversion rates as well. So for now, this is it. These were some metrics that marketers should check daily so that they are equipped with the right data and numbers about their brand and how good or bad they are doing in the digital marketing world. So please feel free to share your feedback. And if you have any queries or questions, simply visit Usermaven's website, and there's a box at the right bottom. You can drop your message here, and we'll be there in no time. All right. Happy analyzing. Take care. Bye.